Hey everybody, Travis Carper, Ascension Guide, Holistic Health Coach. Uh, so let's see, today, just quickly, I want to talk about, I want you to consider these talks about the EMF pollution. Now, all through the different videos that I've done, I've talked about the morphogenetic fields, the electromagnetic fields, your bioelectrics, the electric universe. So I want you to consider like the cell towers that are going in, that are going to be like 5G now, and the power lines and the electrical system in your house. And I know I've talked about this a little bit. We've hit upon it, but really consider all these electromagnetic fields and how they affect your avatar, your being, your vessel, your temple, your vehicle, because of the fact that that's how it changes and morphs and does its transmutation upon your whole physiology. So I want you to really consider thinking about, I mean, even a refrigerator has an electromagnetic field. I want you to, that's why so many people, you see people meditating outside. That's why a lot of people love to do, I've seen lots of yoga done outside, and also I've seen people do yoga on top of their paddle boards too, like in Hawaii and down in the Keys, all over. So what I'm trying to say is get out into nature and feel the vibration of the planet Earth that you're riding upon. It's like a spaceship out here on this side of the galaxy, and to get away from all these artificial electromagnetic fields, this EMF pollution that has been created to disrupt your DNA structure. Okay? So this is another holistic health tip tool so that you can go try to make some linear time in the morning, the afternoon, whenever you can, whenever you're not at work, just like you would after work, you go to the gym. Take some time out to make a sacred space so that you can realign your energy system, your own morphogenetic field. And so that you can sit in silence and go within and listen, and also line up your light centers, what they call all the chakras. And you want to line that up and bring it in and feel your heart and feel your intuition and your insides and your heart, and your high heart toric field is what I call it, because we're adding more light and more energy, a different kind of energy that's coming in to lift us up in this ascension process to a 4D consciousness. So just because I've seen several articles too, and also seen how the other day I observed a flock of birds around a cell tower as well. But also scientific papers on the cell towers and the electromagnetic fields, the people that live around power lines, etc. I just want you to think about that and get outside of the box of your house and the box of a job and those electric systems, the box perhaps of your gym too, with all the televisions and everything sitting around. Just enough just to realign your bioelectric system, okay? Because from the very micro, from the very subatomic to the macro, all of these fields exist. All of these electromagnetics, these morphogenetic fields. So, okay? That's what I wanted to say. Just to consider where these fields are and to be able to get away and get to some natural spaces. That's why everybody loves to go out to the lake and the river, because it realigns you, and don't you feel that more at peace? So what you want to do is bring more of that peace into your life. So if you're at home, build yourself like a sacred space outside, build a deck, put up a tent in your backyard, whatever you've got to do. When I see homeless people, they always are by, like, they try to go camp out by rivers and lakes and stuff like that, I've noticed. It's the same reason. So, just looking at the bees over there and the wild berries. Yum. Yeah, wild foods. Foraging. You've seen me do that in other videos. Okay, guys. That's it, man. I love you all. Get ready for some tiny little photonic waves coming in before, like, I want to say the end of this year, October. Probably a big one coming. I guess that's what they call the event. But for me, it's been this whole process of incorporating and transmuting all of these energies and taking time out to ingest it inside this biological body, into this avatar. Okay, so get ready for some more. So do your meditation out in nature, structured water, of course, lots of structured water. That's really helpful to clean this system out. In fact, I'm in the middle of doing a little bit of a liquid fasting right now myself, so, which is helping me. Oh, I'm probably yelling at this microphone. I forgot that I got that. What was I saying? Oh, so the structured water, the meditation, immune boosting, aptogenic herbs, those immune boosting mushrooms. Stay, clean and healthy right now, because of these photonic energies are going to be coming in again. So, yeah, that's it. Stay hydrated, my friends. Talk to you, to you later.